Today is discount day 2. So yesterday I bought, what did I buy? TV. Bought the TV.
PC.
The chair, the PC. I bought some shoes at the end. Okay. So, Roger, I need you opened up, ready to go. Okay, who can remind us what's the first step for discount?
The price.
Make it to a decimal.
Make it to a decimal. Actually, yeah, that is our first step. Then what? Multiply. Yep. And then what's our second step? Subtract. Very good. All right. So, let's see. Someone said this. I can't remember who said this yesterday.
Oh, I did.
Okay, Kevin. He makes a valid point. I need a little mini fridge in here, right? So, Miss Vanessa or I need a nice, refreshing drink. Well, I'm gonna mini. So you click on the category that you like. So here we are, mini fridges. What? Oh, yeah, but I'm shocked at the price.
Yeah, me too.
But you can hook it up to your car.
Oh, nice.
For those long car rides. Wow, because I'm like, how can a cooler cost $300? Okay. Ooh, with a clear view, so we can see what we have before we open it. Okay. Any awesome colors available? Ooh, like retro. Okay. What do we like? I like this one. Let's go with this one. Sure. A mini fridge costs $159.99. What are we gonna round this to?
160.
160. Okay. So we're gonna say that the mini fridge, right, is 160. All right. 160. Okay. But they're offering an amazing discount today. Amazing. They're gonna give us 20% off.
Wow.
I'll take it. Woo. Okay? So the fridge is 160 and we're getting 20% off. So what's our first step?
Make the percentage.
So if I have 20%, what is my decimal?
0.2.
0.2. Very good. So now what's our official first step is to? No. Multiply. What do I multiply? 160 times 0.2. 160 times 0.2. So let's practice that. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Am I done? No. What do I still have to do?
Subtract.
No.
No, add the decimal.
Yeah. So how many numbers are after the decimal?
1.
1. So I'm going to move it 1. So what does this number represent? Yeah, but what does it represent in our story? What does 32 represent?
How much you save?
How much I save. Very good. This is how much I save. I save $32. Now, what's my second step? Subtract. What do I subtract?
160.
Let's borrow. While I drink some water. Here we are.
Miss, I know the answer.
What is it?
128.
Beautiful.
I know, right?
All right, $128. Not bad. Okay, what's one more thing we have to buy from the store for this classroom? Got our TV, we got our PC, we got a chair, we got our refrigerator.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
LED lights.
Jolly.
Miss, you need to get decoration.
Look, I've had this the whole year. You just haven't noticed. It's been there for 5 years.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
Yes, sir. That's the only decoration you have.
I got some spider webs.
But it's up all year though.
Well, I want to be in the jolly, festive mood all year. Is that okay? A fan?
The windows
I
have
was.
some decoration by a Hellcat.
A fan? What would be good for this class?
An AC.
A Christmas tree, miss.
A Christmas tree?
What?
There. I got you guys a picture.
Oh yes, I love the
But it looks, old.
Yeah, it looks small.
And it even has a little hold on.
Could you put it on?
Yeah, I'll put it on in a second.
Wait, can you turn it on as well?
Yeah, give me. I have to teach first. We can't just have jolliness.
You said
All right.
it could be John?
Let's see. What do we need? What do we need?
What about school pick?
Something that's available at Best Buy. Do they have Christmas trees?
An AC.
Yeah.
Do they have like
Oh, Miss, what's that called? It's like, Jacob, what's it
Oh, wow.
called? When you sit down, you have to buy the
I
chair
don't think they.
and the wheel.
Do they have Christmas trees at Best Buy?
Yes, they do right there.
No. It's like the one that Mr. UC has.
Best Buy has everything.
Wow, that one looks great.
Wheel.
Wow.
No.
Get that.
Like,
Where's Goldie?
Miss Viv for the most expensive.
Well, this one I think is the most expensive one. Best Choice Product, 7.5. Free lit. Douglas fir. Okay, it's $209.99. What do we run this up to? $210.
$10.
Okay. This is the last one we're doing together, so make sure you know the steps. So, Xmas tree, $210. But because it's so close to the holidays, they're going to offer us a discount of, let's say, 25%. Let's do a double-digit one. 25% off. Okay? So, our very, very, very first step is to change 25% into a decimal. How do I write that? 0.25. Okay? So, 210 times 0.25. So, let's set up our math problem. Okay, 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So your first line should say 1050.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, then I'm done with the 5. Move on with the 2. First thing I do is add a 0 placeholder. That 0 came out of just a placeholder. Now I get to multiply everything by 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Make sure you line up all of your numbers. 0, 5, 2, 5. Okay, how many times do I move my decimal? 2 times because there's 2 numbers. Very good. 1, 2. So that means I'm going to save $52.52. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, now my second step, this is step 1, step 2. Take 210.00 and subtract 52.50 from that. So we line up our decimals. We're going to subtract with borrowing. Subtract with borrowing here. Okay. I need you to do it without just copying me. Because I've been known to make mistakes on these. So you want to make sure you do it. Then you check with me. See if I got the same answer. If we didn't match, I might have made a mistake.
Miss, I got the answer.
Does it match mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine matches yours. Yeah.
Okay, cool. First period knows. Sometimes I go too fast on these and make little mistakes. I could go fast with you guys as well and then make mistakes. So never ever just copy me. Always try to do it and see if we match. Because I know it's hard to believe I make a mistake. I know.
Miss, everybody.
All right, are we okay? So what's our first step is to turn to a decimal, and second step is to no, multiply then subtract. Subtract. Sorry. Yes. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna pass out calculators. Hey, if you don't need it, you don't need it. Miss, don't try.
I'll use it. I'll use it.
Oh, you did.
Well, I still have to teach you how to use a calculator.
Miss, I think I already know how to use it.
Well,
Like, plus 2, 22.
No.
yeah.
I'm smart. I don't need this. How do you open it?
If you slide down or slide up.
Who gets
I remember my brother used to have one of these. Oh,
Gail.
stop. Saying my name like that.
Gail?
Yeah.
Gary? Gail? What's wrong with Gail? That's how you say your name, Gail.
Yeah, I know, like, I don't like it.
How do I say your name?
Slide.
I usually say it.
At least depends. How do you say it?
Okay, so, ladies, gentlemen. Okay, so, yes, slide up, slide down. You don't need this, or you can slide it the opposite way in, but it's fine. Do not jam it in. If it doesn't slide in smoothly, just leave it out. Trust me, we don't need it. Okay. Should automatically turn on. It's a basic calculator, but we got to make sure we know how to use it. Okay, so even though you have a calculator, there are times that you still make a mistake. What's the number one mistake you think people do with these problems? What do you think they forget to do? Yes. Okay. They add a number or the percent. That's the number one thing. You guys forget to add the decimal to your percent. So let's type this. You already have the answer, right? So let's type this problem into our calculator. Do you get 5250? So everybody type in 210 times, so figure out where the times is. Then type in 0.25. 0.25. So make sure there's a 0.25 on your screen. The 0 is automatically added. You can't do anything about it. Then hit the equal sign. Did we get 5250? Yeah. So, yeah, we're practicing using a calculator. As much as you're like, Miss Amelia, I know. So let's practice 210. So we type in 210. We're just practicing the answers that we already have. Minus our answer of 5250. So 5250, right? And then equals. Did we get the answer that we got in our notebook?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're just practicing going through the motions. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I've had students use a calculator on the test, and they still get them wrong. Yes, they do. The reason is they miss the decimals. They do something. As much as we try, Miss Vanessa and I, to help you and correct you, I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
Yo no sé. Okay. Let's look at the pink paper. Number 1 is kind of towards the bottom. Okay. Thank you. Please respect the calculator. We're going to use the calculators, David. Carmen, we are using calculators. But do I still need you to show me work?
Yes.
Yes. So here is the work that I still need you to show me, even though you're using a calculator. So number 1, let's read it. In a department store, a $40 dress is marked save 25%. What is the discount? What is the sell price? So first thing on your paper, 25%. What is that as a decimal?
0.25.
Okay, so you're telling me 0.25. Okay, so you're going to tell me first step. What's our first step? What's our price? $40. And we're going to multiply it by what? 0.25. So look how I'm still showing my work. I'm still telling you, Miss, I'm like, this is what I'm going to type into the calculator. So go ahead and write it down. Now, take your calculator and plug this into your calculator. So after you write it, plug it into your calculator.
I don't think I did it right.
Okay.
I got 10.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 10.
Okay, so then on your paper, Kevin, you're going to write your answer that you see in your calculator of 10. You can always, David, go back and type it in again just to feel comfortable. Okay, what's step number 2? Subtract. What do I subtract?
40 and 10.
40 minus what? 10. Now, you can choose to do it on your calculator or just do it.
I'm doing my calculator.
Yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know what 40
30?
minus 10.
Wait, it is?
It's 30, bro.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah,
joking.
it's 30, bro.
So,
Oh, it is.
do you see how we're still showing work?
Yeah.
And then we type in
Yeah.
and we write what our calculator says. So, you are still showing me the steps. If you don't want to use a calculator, it's okay. It's okay. You torture yourself. That's cool. This is our answer 30. So our first answer is 10, and then our second answer is 30. Yeah, that's all you have to do. This is how much you save, and this is your new price. Okay, so I save $10, woohoo, but I'm going to pay 30. Okay? All right, try out the next one. You're going to have to show work. You're going to have to show work. Okay, so for those of you who are there, okay, number 10, you're going to have 2 answers for number 10. Do you have 2 answers for number 10?
Not yet.
So, 2 answers.
We have to subtract.
No. I will buy everything on this worksheet. How much will I spend and how much will I save? 2 answers. So, you're going to add all your number 1 answers. Then you're going, that's our first one. Then you're going to add all your number 2 answers. So all your number 1s, all the ones that you saved, all your step 1s, you're going to add them all together. Then you're going to clear your calculator, and then you're going to add up all your number 2 answers. You know how you have 2 answers? The first answer and the second answer. So this is add up all your number 1s. You're going to get a big number. Then you're going to add up all your number 2s. And you're going to get even a bigger number. Okay? Use your calculator. But you might want to check your answers for 1 through 9 before you add everything. Because what if you messed up on one? Then number 10 is going to be horribly wrong.